Hello, everybody, and welcome. We got our garden fountain up and operating again now that spring has officially sprung here in southeast Michigan. And so I'm just going to take you through the setup of this. And again, welcome, and thanks for getting up and at it with Bill and Denise. So we're going to get Denise's urn fountain put back in place. And I'm just going to kind of take you through it. It's an easy setup. We've had this thing for years. And it just adds a really nice accent to the garden. So the first thing is for the winter time, I take everything out and I built this just out of a piece of plywood. Just built that to keep the water out if anywhere to get in there. And then I keep a couple of bottles in there, and it seemed if there was water to get in here, obviously it could freeze. This hopefully would help um, it from the ice from pushing on and breaking the plastic. So the first thing is obviously we need the pump. So now that we got the cord run through, we'll go ahead and put the top on. And start to run all the rest of the way through. And there we go. So we have to get the urn set in place and actually run the tube down to meet up with the pump. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing here. So when that happens, so it keeps popping out of the pump. Really? All right. So we need to make sure that the urn is level because you want the water to flow evenly, and so I just got this little level. And what I do have are some plastic um, shims that work really well. You can get them under there. That's level right there. And I put kind of put them on each side. Son of a... There we go. So we got this. And then the next thing is I'm going to go ahead and fill this up with water, and we'll plug it in. So I have the hose right here. I just have to grab it. Oh, as I fall over. All right. So that's full. Now to get her plugged in. And I'll clean up the cord and all that when I'm done. Trying to watch the tulips. Don't want to get in trouble with Denise. So I keep we just keep an extension cord run from the back of the house because that's the only outdoor outlet that, or the closest outdoor outlet that I have. So, but we end up using this cord year round because with Christmas and things like that. So, but we're just going to plug this in. Get that down. Oh, and there we go. The urn is a working. Bring it this way just here. Okay, so now that we have that in place, put this other cap in here. And now for the rocks. Oh, the other thing, because this is outside, I bought several of these actually, but it's a I don't know what the official called Cord Protect, and it's waterproof. So basically, you just put your connection in like that, and close her up. Maybe there we go, and these just snap in place, and that helps keep your connection watertight. You don't have to worry about popping a circuit or having some kind of electrical issue. So now we're just going to get the stones in place, and we're done. Oops, all the dirt. We'll just clean up the cord. This will just tuck up underneath the bay window here. And that cord will relax once it heats up a little bit, and it'll get hidden eventually with everything that Denise is going to plant in here. So that is basically the urn. Again, we love it because it just again adds that certain accent. So hopefully you like this video. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, the subscription and notification bell, and we will continue to try to put out videos that hopefully you find enjoyable. Take care, everybody. Thanks for getting up and at it with Bill and Denise. God bless.